Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to install Python in our PC. So first of all, you go to your Chrome browser and then type here python.org, or you can type python.org downloads. Or if you type python.org, then simply go here and click on downloads. After clicking the downloads, you will see download Python. The version currently is going on is 3.9.2. Alright, so in future it might get changed when you are watching this video. So just go here and click on download Python 3.9.2. So I have already downloaded it 2 times, so I'm not going to download it. Just click here and it will be downloaded automatically. After that, open it and then you can just simply click on install now, or you can go for customize installation. In install now option, you can see that the path is going to be a bit longer, and if you want to go a shorter path that you can remember easily, then you can go for customize installation. And of course you have to tick mark the add python to path. All right, this is really important, so make sure you have clicked it. After that, I'm going to go for customize installation. After that, I'm not going to uncheck any of these, and then next, and of course install for all the users, and that will automatically tick mark this precompile standard library. After that, I'm going to change this path, so I'm going to type here Python, so this new directory will be formed. And for the Python version purpose, because sometimes we installed so many Python and we don't know which version it is, so for that purpose I'm going to make another directory that will be named as Python 392. Now I haven't typed any dot here, so just remember that. Alright, and then I'm simply click to install. Now it will be installing in your PC, so you just need to click yes here. Alright, the permission has been granted, and now I'm gonna skip this part because it might take some time. So as you can see here, my Python has been downloaded successfully, and to disable path limit you need to click here and then click yes, so you need to allow. After that option will also removed, and then closed it. And after that you can open your recently added apps or software. You can see the Python has been completely installed. So that's it. In next video we're going to install Pycharm in our PC, and how to set up the interpreter. We will check this out also. So take care, bye bye, see you in the next one.